If you're looking for a quick and straightforward way to add schema markup suggestions from SEO platforms to your site, this guide is for you. Whether you're using popular SEO tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Moz, adding structured data can boost your site's visibility and SEO performance. Stick around because I'll show you the exact steps you need to follow, and by the end, you'll be ready to implement schema markup like a pro. First, let's talk about why you need schema markup. This data helps search engines understand your content better, improving how your site appears in search results. For instance, it can lead to rich snippets or knowledge graphs, which ultimately helps you stand out in a crowded search results page. Now, when it comes to adding schema markup suggestions from SEO platforms, the process typically starts with scanning your website's content. Most SEO platforms like SEMrush or Ahrefs provide schema recommendations after they analyze your pages. Once the suggestions are identified, the next step is to actually implement them into your site. To get started, go into your SEO platform and find the section related to structured data or schema markup. In SEMrush, for example, this is found under the Site Audit tool. This tool scans your website and checks for missing or incomplete schema types. You'll get a list of suggested schema types for pages, such as article, product, or FAQ markup. Ahrefs and Moz offer similar features, though the interface might differ slightly. Once you have your suggestions, you'll need to decide where to add the schema code. You can do this manually by editing your site's HTML, or if you're using a platform like WordPress, you might want to use a plugin like Schema Pro to handle this for you. If you're comfortable editing code manually, copy the schema code provided by your SEO platform and insert it into the appropriate section of your HTML. This will typically be in the header or body of the page, depending on the type of schema. Make sure you're following the specific instructions for each type of schema markup to ensure it's properly implemented. For WordPress users, it's much easier. Plugins like Schema Pro or Yoast SEO offer simple interfaces where you can input the schema types directly into the plugin settings. These plugins will automatically add the necessary code to your pages without needing to manually edit HTML. Just make sure to map the correct schema types to your content. Once the schema markup is added, it's crucial to test your pages to make sure everything is working correctly. Google offers a free tool called the Rich Results Test, where you can input your page URL and check if the schema is correctly implemented and recognized. If there are any issues, the tool will highlight them so you can make adjustments. Now, here's the key takeaway from this tutorial. Adding schema markup suggestions from SEO platforms is a simple process that can significantly enhance your website's SEO and search visibility. Whether you're doing it manually or using plugins, it's important to test your pages to ensure the structured data is working properly. To quickly recap, first, get your schema suggestions from your SEO platform. Then, manually implement them or use a plugin to simplify the process. Don't forget to test your pages to verify everything's working as expected. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the recommended SEO tool in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, and it's the perfect opportunity to follow along with this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.